Hello guys, it's another video of the Jesus Mechanic. Today with my promised project that it took forever to find time to video. It's my free lawnmower I picked up on the side of the street just a couple doors down. I mean, hey, look at that though, just an old lawnmower. Just free. In a place where you don't normally see free lawnmowers. But I mean, at least it somewhat works. I mean, the compression I fixed on it, so I mean, when you pull it, you can definitely hear it has compression. The only problem is, and why it won't start, is it has no spark. So I'm going to have to figure out some way to get spark to it. It might be the coil, and I'm just going to replace the coil and hope for the best on that. It's a 1992, I believe, JCPenney rear bagger. As you can see, it only has 3.5 horsepower. But for an early 90s lawnmower, that's pretty cool. Especially since it does have a throttle, which is pretty nice, judging by the time and whatnot. It also has had some replacement parts done. I sandblasted off the rust and spray painted it silver with that old paint I had that you might be seeing in later videos. I also redid the exhaust on it there, polished that up and made it look nice again. It's all good. It's cleaning up just as it's supposed to. We also got a new spark plug and also a new air filter. So this thing technically should be ready to go. Just it needed a little TLC, and it's gonna be a good little project. There'll be more to come on that, especially when I have time and money to buy the coil. And just, I mean, it is $15, but I mean, when you're trying to fix the truck and also get a bass guitar at the same time, it's not that easy. So just bear with me. It might take a year to fix or less. I'm hoping it's less, but it just depends on how time goes. I mean, if we also look at it, it also has other good mechanisms like it. That works pretty good. Also, you open that, opens great. All the springs are still stiff. It's like it basically was barely used, and from what it was used, it was taken pretty good care of. The blade underneath was, to say the least, might have been one of the reasons why it was put on the street for free. I mean, it was pretty rusted under there, so I just sanded it, got all the dirt off, it was good to go. I also cleaned up some of the rust that was on here and made it look good again. I mean, the before and after the rust attacked it and you sand it off. I mean, they don't look too terribly different. You can definitely tell it's a difference, but for crying out loud, it's a lawnmower. Who cares? It works. It's also the cleanest lawnmower, I think, in all of East County. Yeah, that actually is not dirt. It's just like paint wear. So it's kind of crazy. But I actually got it so you can actually read the words. That is a 92 paint job that you saw the grime come off of. That is pretty sick. The tires also could use some repairs, but they work. Well, hope you enjoy. Comment below if you think I should get this fixed before I finish the truck, or I should finish the truck first. I mean, it's only $15. Depending on how many people say yes, I may actually do it before the truck, just to say I fixed it. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up down in the description, or a thumbs down like I am doing right now. Yep, that's a thumbs down. Why am I doing that? Should be a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Hey, thanks guys for watching. See you later.